Today we're going to introduce SlabSnap, the new feature being added to the SlabWare system. You can access SlabSnap from the main menu by clicking the camera icon marked with the yellow New flag. To help you test the feature, 5 credits will be made available to your account. At the end of this tutorial, we'll also review the available plans for purchasing additional generations. Before you start using SlabSnap, you'll need to connect your existing materials or add new ones. If you already have materials registered in SlabWare, you can connect them to SlabSnap through SlabWare integration. In another video, we'll explain in detail how to import and connect those materials to SlabSnap. Now, let's take a closer look at what this feature does and how it works. Start by clicking Generate a Link. Next, enter the customer's name. Then, click the Create Link For button. The system will automatically generate a link. You can now copy it and send it to your customer. When the customer opens the link, they'll see this page where they can take a new photo or upload an existing image. On the previous page, you can define how many photos the customer can upload and how many visualizations they can generate. For this example, I've set a limit of 3 uploaded photos and 3 visualizations. I'm going to select 3 photos of different surfaces and apply a different material to each one. For the first image, I'll apply Calicotta. After selecting the material, the system will begin rendering the image. Once the rendering is complete, I can click Calicotta to view the uploaded photo with the selected material applied to the surface. Below the image, the After and Before buttons allow you to compare the original photo with the result generated by SlabSnap. The Download button allows you to download the rendered image. By clicking Download All, you can download all the images generated during this session in a single zip file. Now I'll select the second image and test the Cristallo material. Once the rendering is complete, I can click Cristallo to view the result. I can switch between the before and after versions and download the generated image if needed. For the third image, I'll apply the Taj Mahal material. In this example, I'll also show you what happens when the customer uses all the available attempts. As you can see, all 3 uploaded photos and visualizations configured for this customer have now been used. A message is also displayed to let the customer know that the limit has been reached. After generating the visualizations, the customer can click Send Selection to SlabWare team. Once the selection is submitted, you'll receive a SlabSnap notification letting you know that the customer has sent a material selection. If the customer has also reached the visualization limit, you'll receive an alert. In the credits section, we can see that the balance has decreased from 50 to 47 credits because 3 generations were used. The dashboard also displays the number of credits used, the total number of visualizations generated, and the number of active customers. At this point, you may be wondering, if the account still has credits available, why has the customer reached their limit? Credits belong to your SlabSnap account and are used whenever a new image is generated. Upload and visualization limits, however, are configured separately for each customer link. In this section, you can increase or decrease the number of uploads and visualizations available to the customer. This means that even when your account still has available credits, each customer can only use the number of attempts assigned to their specific link. After making your changes, click Save. Next to the customer's link, click the image icon to view all the images generated by that customer. Click the document icon to download a PDF containing the customer's information, generated images, and selected materials. You can download the PDF, save it, and send it to your customer. In the Links and Limits section, you'll also find different viewing options. When you select Mine, you'll see only the customer links created by your user account. In Alerts, you'll see customers who have reached their attempt limit. Under Selected, you'll see only customers who clicked Send Selection to SlabWare team. In All, you'll see every customer link generated by users in your system. You can also filter the links by opened or not opened. Use the search bar to find a customer by name. To delete a generated link, click the trash icon located next to the PDF icon. Now I'll show you how to add a material directly to SlabSnap. Remember that materials must be connected or added before you generate customer links. Without available materials, your customers won't be able to test the feature. You can use SlabWare integration to import materials that are already registered in your system. The other option is to add materials manually. Start by clicking Add Material. Upload an image of the material. Enter the material name. Select the material type. Then choose the corresponding color. Finally, click Add Material to complete the registration. I'll now reuse the same customer link to test the Viscount white material, since I increased the number of uploads and visualizations available to this customer. Simply refresh the page and click Take or Upload a photo. I'll select the Viscount white material that I just added. Now I'll wait while the system renders the image. Once it's ready, I can click the result and switch between the before and after versions. Now let's review how to purchase additional credits for SlabSnap. Click the View Plans and Add Generations button to see the available credit packs. The starter plan costs $49 and includes 100 generations, which you can distribute among your customers as you create new links. The Pro plan costs $99 and includes 300 generations. The Business plan costs $199 and includes 700 generations. After selecting a plan, click Buy and follow the steps to complete your purchase. Once you've purchased a package, you can begin creating customer links and defining how many uploads and visualizations each customer will receive. On this page, you can also monitor your available credit balance and the number of visualizations that have already been used. The Credit History section keeps a record of every credit package purchased by your account. In this example, you can see the credits that were added to the account. At the top of the page, SlabSnap has its own notification bell. You'll receive notifications about important actions and updates from your customers. Next to it, you'll find the Tutorial button, where this video and all future SlabSnap tutorials will be available. SlabSnap can also be used while creating an order. When creating or editing a quote or invoice, you'll find the SlabSnap button under the Actions menu. From there, you can generate a link and send it to your customer, allowing them to see how the selected materials may look on their desired surface before completing the purchase. The customer can compare different options and make a more confident decision before the sale is finalized. With SlabSnap, you can present materials more clearly, reduce customer uncertainty, and create more opportunities to close the sale. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit SlabWare.com and schedule a demo today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks.